So we've created our GRNs, meaning the material has entered our factory, right? So the next step would be inspection and testing of that raw material. So to do that, we can go through two ways. One, we will see a notification on the home screen which states that one GRN is pending material inspection or 4 GRNs are pending material testing. We can either just click on this and the software will take us to the particular GRN, or we can just come to this goods receiving section, and here we can see that this particular GRN hasn't been processed yet and it is in inward stage. So we can just simply click on the view button. Now, first thing that we need to do is the preliminary inspection. So this is something that even a store manager can also do. So what they need to do is simply click on this inspect material button. All they need to do is tell us whether the quantity is usable or not. Now this is not material testing till now. We will do that after this. This is just the store manager accepting the inward of that particular material. So here I'll see that poly pouches, I'm accepting 500 quantity, and titanium grade 5 sheet, I'm accepting 1000 quantity, and it is acceptable to me. If there was any breakage in any material, I could do that and it won't add it to my inventory and simply take it to the rejection flow. Right now I will accept both of these materials and click on the submit button. Now you can see the inspection report is generated automatically. All I need to do is click on this and it will download a PDF for me like this. Now you can see this report is completely audit ready. It contains all the information, which purchase order this is for, which GRN it is for, the report number, this is a unique number, and which material was ordered, how much quantity was received, how much is usable, whether there was any breakage, who inspected the material, and what time it was inspected at. Okay, now let's jump back to this. Now our material is inspected, but our QC team still needs to verify that the raw material is up to the specification or not. To do that, all they need to do is click on the test material button. Here they can see the first material I ordered was poly pouches. I ordered 500 quantity. Now you can see the testing sample quantity is automatically filled because I had a formula set for this particular material. Let's say I am testing 10 pieces of it. Now I need to record observations for all of these parameters. I need to check the tensile strength, the width, the elongation at break, basically all the specifications that we earlier created in the materials section. Right now I will simply write complies in all of the observations. I can repeat each step multiple times, as many times as I want, and I can either completely accept all of the material into my inventory, partially accept it, or completely reject it. So I'll accept this material. I'll do the same thing for the titanium grade 5 sheet also. I'll enter its expiry date, how much pieces I am testing. Let's say I'm testing 20 pieces of it, and these observations. So let's say the width is 2.5 mm and the chemical composition is as per specification. And I'll click on accept all. Now you see the color has changed to green and my test report is also generated. So if I click on this, you can see this is my test report. Now as you would see, it hardly took us 2 minutes, but both our inspection and testing reports are generated and all of these are completely audit ready. Now that we are done with the inward flow or the purchase flow, we can actually start using these materials to make our finished goods.